50% tariffs on steel and aluminium come into force today. It's Wednesday, 4th June, and here's what you need to know. US tariffs on imported steel and aluminium double today, but that increase does not apply to Britain. It's exempt from a 50% tariff and will stick to 25%. At the moment, Britain does not currently rank as one of the top exporters to the US. About a quarter of all steel that's used in the US is imported, with Canada ranked as number 1 and Mexico at number 3. Our number of the day is $36.2 trillion. That's the estimated total amount of federal government debt once you add on President Trump's recent tax and spending bill. That's the bill that the president has labelled a big, beautiful bill. But billionaire Elon Musk has called it a disgusting abomination. The White House has insisted that President Trump is standing by the bill. Our stock of the day is Wells Fargo. Now, the Fed on Tuesday released it from a punitive 7-year-long $1.95 trillion cap on its assets. The CEO of Wells Fargo is hopeful that this will be a pivotal moment and help transform its performance. In after-hours trading, its shares rose by 2.7%. Now, don't forget that Wells Fargo in the past has paid billions in penalties for various scandals. Our chart of the day is the South Korean Kospi Index. It rose to its highest level since August 2024, following the presidential victory of Liberal candidate Lee Jae-myung. He's raised hopes that there will be lots of stimulus measures and quick reforms to the market. In fact, in general, Asian shares were higher, and that mood has spread to Europe in early trade, led by tech stocks. However, US futures are pointing to a mixed open on Wall Street later. On Tuesday, car makers across the globe joined their US counterparts to complain about restrictions on exports by China on rare earth alloys. German car makers actually warned of possible shutdowns. That follows a similar complaint by an Indian EV maker last week. Now, China decided to suspend exports in April, and many see this as Beijing using its dominance in this area as leverage in its ongoing trade war. And that's what you need to know this morning.